All right, stock ticker symbol ATTBF, currently trading at 1080. And this is kind of like one of those ones that I like to find. Look at that, zooming out. This big line right here, this big candle wick's definitely a fat finger trade. I can almost guarantee that. Somebody tried to put in 10 and probably put in $1. Horrible mistake and messes up everything, but it happens. See what happened to that parabolic SAR. Trying to follow it all the way up there. All right, so I'm going to zoom in here, and I can tell you, just briefly looking at this, you're at a support line right now at 1080. You're at a solid support. This one doesn't have much fluctuation, but this is the kind of stock that you start seeing this happen. Okay, you get that buying pressure in there, and it'll start taking off. Seen this over and over, but now you guys went sideways, and everything's winding up really tight. Right now, the RSI is at 47. The parabolic SAR is flipped over at the bullish, but you guys are having a hard time with the simple day moving averages. One thing I'm going to tell you right now for ATTBF, I just what I'm looking at right now, if you guys get a day of solid buying pressure, okay, solid buys, this thing can really move. And it looks like it's the only thing that is lacking from this stock right now is buying pressure. And it's going to keep it right at that. 1080 needs buying pressure.
Have we ever went over this?
No.
Okay. So there's news on January 19th. It was Abattis explores diversifying with a strategic acquisition. CFN Media. CFN Media, the leading creative agency and digital media network dedicated to legal cannabis, announces the publication of an article discussing Abattis Bioceuticals Corp, OTC Pink, ATTBF, and they're also on the CNSX with the ticker symbol ATT, a specialty agricultural technology firm focused on the legal cannabis industry. The company recently commissioned an independent valuation on Green Natural Healthcare Products Incorporated in advance of a potential strategic acquisition. The move would follow the company's international licensing and co-branding agreement signed in November of last year, and Green Natural's strong financial performance since then. So, I mean, it's up to you if you want me to. Let me just read this one more paragraph, and I'll share the link to this over on the board. But it's Green Naturals provides dried fruit products to over 400 customers throughout China, including 388 Walmart stores, 5 Shanghai drug-free stores, and 20 Yangshu pharmacies. Since 2002, the company has expanded its footprint with customs clearance through six Chinese cities, including Shanghai, Nantong, Qingdao, Danjing, Guangzhou, and Hong Kong. The company's products can also be found in TNT markets and 50 stores throughout Canada. So that's basically that company, and they're on the QB as well. Want me to give you a brief description of the company?
Might as well, yeah.
Nah, it's all right. I'll share the thing. Because I mean, it's Saturday night. I wasn't really planning on doing this at all.
It was your choice to come on here, right? All right.
Yeah.
All right. So IMLFF. I actually took a look at that one. I'll cover that here in a second, but let me finish up this one. ATTBF. If you guys are watching this one, this one starts taking off here, definitely let me know. I'd like to know, because I can't track every single stock that we go over. We go over hundreds. I mean, I got a sheet here. I kid you not, it has to be 50 pages. Stocks that I've went over, and not only on the live streams, but on Investors Hangout. I definitely go over quite a bit of them. So, like I said, ATTBF, head over to investorshangout.com, investorshangout.com/live.